Hey, listen, if you are looking for an easy ground beef dinner recipe, you are in the right spot. Today, we are going to make for dinner tonight a cheesy beef and cabbage dinner. It's a wonderful recipe. Listen, it all happens in one pan. There's no fuss and it's got huge flavor. Let's get into it. We begin by browning our ground beef, and while that is happening, I'm going to dice up an onion. Now that our ground beef is starting to turn brown, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some paprika. And we're going to make sure that we kind of mix that all into that brown ground beef. I'm going to add minced garlic, and I'm going to let that cook off and cook down. I'm going to add in my diced onions, and I'm going to let that all come together and cook down as well. And then we're going to add some tomato paste. Now this is where you want to really get that mixed into the meat very, very well. Let it caramelize. While that's cooking, I'm going to chop up my cabbage. You can chop it up thin, you can chop it up chunky, however you want to chop that up. Next, I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce to the meat mixture, and then right behind that, we're going to add in some soy sauce so you can see that the meat mixture is seasoned and full of some nice onion flavor, garlic, and we're going to cook this all. We're still got about a medium heat on. I'm going to toss in 1 can of diced tomatoes with the juice right into that meat mixture. And so you can kind of start to see the color change a little bit. I'm going to let that simmer and cook to get all of that great seasoning mixed together. Then I'm going to come in with some beef broth, and I'm going to mix that in all while maintaining a nice medium heat to the skillet. We want to simmer that and cook that really well together and give that just a few minutes to all kind of coagulate together there. Next, I'm going to dump in the chopped up cabbage, and it's going to look like a lot. And you're going to have to continue with the medium heat and continue stirring this cabbage into that meat sauce. And as the minutes tick by, the cabbage reduces down. Those of you who have cooked cabbage before know that it does reduce down. And I keep turning it and stirring it here until it looks like about that. Then I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese on the top. And I put quite a bit on it because we're cheese lovers here. And then I'm going to garnish it with some beautiful parsley there. Now I'm going to pop up a screenshot of the cheesy beef and cabbage dish that we just made so that you can take a screenshot with your phone, and you'll always have this recipe in your personal archives. Now, if you like cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe so that we can see more of each other. Now, the remainder of the video, I usually take a taste of what we have just cooked, and then the video closes out. I have lost my audio at the end of the video, so I am going to do a voiceover here now. Okay, here we go. Here's our finished cabbage and beef dish here. It looks so delicious. I'm going to scoop up a nice plateful here, and we're going to give it a good old taste. Now, this was a pretty simple recipe, if I have to say. It came together all in one pan. Very, very simple. Smells delicious. And look at that. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste test. That is so good. A 10 out of 10, definitely. Very healthy too on this one. So there's your ground beef dinner recipe. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.